Hello friends, today I am discussing the important questions from sterilization chapter. Sterilization is very important for pharmaceutics or microbiology also, but today I am discussing this type of question which is very important for pharmaceutics, sterilization. So first of all, define the term sterilization: antiseptic, bactericide, bacteriostatic, disinfection, germicide and sterility. This is the definition. These are all type of definition is very important. Next, explain the term thermal death time. Name the different methods of sterilization. There are various type of methods are available. So this type of methods and their explanation also very important. How are the bacteria killed by dry heat sterilization method? This is also very important. Okay, and next, what is the temperature and time required to kill bacteria by dry heat sterilization method? How fixed oil are sterilized? What is the method used to sterilize to thermolabile powder drugs? These are also very important. How are bacteria killed by the moist heat sterilization method? How is milk sterilized? How is vaccine containing dead bacteria sterilized? How will you sterilize the injections and transfusion fluids? What is the temperature and time period at which bacteria get killed by sterilization? And mention the wavelength of ultraviolet rays which has maximum antibacterial activity. What is the source of gamma rays? Give a list of chemicals which are used to kill the bacteria. This is very important. And how are bacteria killed by gamma rays? How are bacteria killed by ethylene oxide gas? These are very important questions for the sterilization. Another question of the sterilization is what is the concentration of beta propylolactone most effective as bactericide? Why is sterility is necessary? That means importance. And name the factors which influence the efficiency of ethylene oxide. Define term tinderization. Explain the term pasteurization and classify the different methods of sterilization. Write the advantages and disadvantages of sterilization. What are the application of dry heat sterilization? What are the precautions necessary is very important. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of moist heat sterilization? That means autoclave. And draw the label diagram of an autoclave. Why moist heat method is very important or very effective than dry heat sterilization? This is very important. How milk is pasteurization is very important. Write in brief about sterilization by ultraviolet light. What are the application of sterilization by ultraviolet rays? What are the advantages and disadvantages of sterilization by ionizing radiation? Write in brief about chemical method of sterilization. How is formaldehyde inferior to ethylene oxide as sterilizing agent? These are also very important questions from sterilization chapter. Next question, what is disinfection? Disinfectant and disinfection both are related with the sterilization. So what are the types of disinfection? What are the methods of disinfection? Which chemicals are used for disinfection? Also very important. What is the water disinfection? This is very important and this is very unique question. What are the methods of disinfection of water? What chemicals are used to disinfect in the water supply? Already I know the chlorine is very important answer. So this clarification is should be must. And examples of disinfectants: define disinfectant with function. What are the side effects of sterilization? What is cold sterilization is a very unique question. And why culture media cannot sterilized at 115 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes? What is the required temperature for sterilization process? What are filtration method of sterilization? This is also very important and unique question. Why ozone is water disinfection? It is also very unique question. Why is disinfection important in water treatment? Is isopropyl alcohol disinfectant? Yes or no? Why is 70 alcohol a better disinfectant than 95 alcohol? Why? The answer already I discussed here is 70% solution of ethyl alcohol, 95% kills organism by denaturing their proteins and dissolving their lipids, and is effective against most bacteria, fungi and many viruses, but it is ineffective against bacterial spores. So this answer is also here. These questions are also very important from sterilization chapter. Okay guys, another question from the sterilization, like explain the factors which may influence the efficiency of the ethylene oxide. Very important. Write the advantage and disadvantages of ethylene oxide used the gaseous sterilization. Important. Write the application of ethylene oxide when it is used in gaseous sterilization. That means importance. What are the basic points to be followed in the sterilization by filtration? What is the test for sterility and what are different methods to be used for the performing this test? What is the principle behind the first for the sterility? Very important. That means principle. And what are the aseptic technique? Aseptic is also included into the sterilization process. Describe the various source of contamination. How are surgical dressings are sterilized? Write the various steps involved in sterilization of transfusion fluids. What are the precautions to be observed for the handling sterilization? How sterilization differs from disinfection? That means the difference between sterilization and disinfection. Why is moist heat sterilization is very effective or very important from the dry heat sterilization? Okay, that means the advantages of moist heat sterilization. What are the gases used in gaseous sterilization? Explain in details about ethylene oxide which is used in gaseous sterilization and write the difference factor which may influence the efficiency of the ethylene oxide. Very important. Principles and methods of sterility testing. Explain the terms aseptic techniques. What are the various points to be considered while designing the aseptic technique? So this is a very important. Ethylene oxide is very important. Ethylene oxide has a very important role in the sterilization process. So these are very important questions and you have to read carefully about the ethylene oxide and what is the important, what is the function of ethylene oxide in the sterilization process.